Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is the automatic overcurrent protection for DC motors. So if your child's vehicle is running into issues or there's no variable speeds, you can go ahead and install this. You're going to get this application here that is in an aluminum casing, which is nice. You're going to get 4 mounting holes, so you don't need to glue this. No glue required. You can just mount this with the mounting holes. You do get the variable speed knob right here. They are going to give you some wiring too as well to get it connected to power, to the battery, to the motor. Those are included as well. And you can have access to the screws right here for more connections. Overall, the build quality is nice. And again, this supports variable speed control pedals, and it supports a maximum speed setting in this mode to set maximum safe speeds for your child's needs. So if you have any motorized vehicle that they're on, you can install this and control the speed with this knob. It's going to max out at 35 amps at its peak current, and it has an automatic overcurrent protection when it exceeds that 35 amp. So overall, really nice. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.